Well, got bikes loaded up. Waiting for Jake's pokey ass to get here after he gets some stupid dog. Heard about this abandoned track kind of around the corner from where we live. So it's a beautiful day, you know. I'm gonna go check it out. And if we get caught by the cops, please send bail money to holeshotTVYT@gmail.com because it'll be much needed. So yeah, let's do it.
What? Dude, this is gonna be sick. I'm gonna crash.
We can't wait till out here.
Fuck you.
What do you got down in there?
A whole lot of stuff going on. Hey, we got. Oh, that sounded good. At least we got a. Blaine, what is that? Tell me what.
We got
450 LC. 450 LC.
The LC.
I'm thinking we just park right here.
And just play.
Or should we park right there? I don't want to be out of the open just so we don't cause any trouble for open.
It's an old gravel pit. Somewhere down in there. We're gonna go fucking shred.
Bingo.
Pretty damn late, but it's alright. I could do this all night. Swear that it's just all vibes. It ain't certain that we're all gonna live a long life, so let's get faded till we all fly. Took a few shots on my buzzing, but you better keep them coming. I ain't worried about nothing right now. I'm just living and I love it. Living fast, I'm about to run it. Bartender think we need another round. Man, I'm just vibing. You should try it. New wave, I'ma ride it by an island. Do it big like a lineman. Screw a diet. Knock it out like I'm Tyson. And I ain't lying, no. They say they do it, but we doing it the most. I cannot drive cause I'm about to lose control. Doc said to quit drinking, what a joke. Here's a toast to all the real ones that I know. Don't wanna think about nothing. Feels nice clearing out my mind. And if they feel like judging, it's alright, I'ma live my life. I feel great like MJ. I'm about to take flight. It's a vibe, it's a vibe.
I honestly don't know if this bitch is gonna make it out. Let's go check out the rest. What? Let's go check out the rest.
My business about to boom. My ex is at the party and she's with another dude, so that's cool. It only means I gotta go and chug another brew. Barely smoke, but I might though. Just wanna bounce like Sky Zone. I'll need an Uber back to my home. I'll probably take a Xan and knock me out like a light though. Like a light, like a light though. Some broke college cause we drinking out of 5-0. Tomorrow's gonna suck shit, man. I know if this night was a song, we gon' finish on a high.
Pretty crazy out here, actually. You gonna try and send her up the hill or what, Jake? I don't think anything really does it justice to how steep it is, but that's about straight up and down.
I'll try going up, but I ain't gonna go no fucking way.
That looks so much steeper from down here.
Send it, pussy.
I downshifted a little early.
Not the line, I told you.
You almost made it to the hill.
It's a no-go, boys.
You did it better this time. She liked the rev limiter.
I found it.
You did. It's still there.
This sport's expensive. Would you consider this a sport?
Yeah.
Moto sport.
Kenny said like come here for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, so we got 15 minutes.
Dude, that pig is nasty.
That's some Logan Paul shit.
That is some Logan Paul. Should we go up there and like laugh at it?
Yeah, poke it.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we made it.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Dude, this place is bitching.
It's a little rough.
It's alright. I think this was
It's
like...
rough for bikes and no suspension.
Yeah, definitely. I bought ass packed you there, Code, if you didn't see my mark.
Dude, the craziest thing is this was like the track of the track like 20 years ago.
Right?
Like this is where you rode.
No, this is where you store your dead pigs.
Exactly.
And your used tires.
It'd be sweet if this place was like open again. Did you see the party spot down there?
Yeah.
The pavilion?
Yeah. That'd be fucking sweet. Okay, I gotta go potty.
The thing is, dude, somebody must have been back here not long ago. Because there's no way that pig
That
is
pig's...
that old.
Yeah. It should be eating the fuck up.
I'm surprised the yoke hasn't been back here in this fucking.
Oh no, that looks delicious. I'd definitely mow on it.
Alright, let's go.
Fuck you.
Alright, so we made her home. Rode all day. Nothing broke. Gotta give them some love, you know. But, so we got a sponsorship from Moto Option Clothing, or motooption.com. So if you guys want any riding apparel, sweatshirts, they make swimsuits, koozies, you name it, they got it all. Go to motooption.com and use code HoleshotTV for 10% off. So yeah, like, subscribe, and comment.
See you guys later.
Later.
Buy an island, do it big like a lineman. Screw a diet, knock it out like I'm Tyson.